Casey Neistat is back. He is on the YouTube. Now let's get our gains.
Are you ready for leg day?
I'm ready for leg day.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I understand the importance of cardio, but why is it so bad? All right, Nico. Why is it so bad?
Cardio is great. All right.
Nico.
I'm not gonna look at your...
Nico.
No,
French me like one of her paint.
I will not. Nighty night. Time to go Betty bye.
Times that I've tried to do an intro for this, and I am getting very tired of it. I wanted to talk about like responsibility, how a lot of people think my generation shirks responsibility, then talk about people that are hardworking and almost overdo responsibility. I myself, I'm going to have 3 jobs starting April 6th, and the whole point of today is that it's my last real day off where I literally don't have work at all today. So instead of laying in bed until noon, I woke up at 6, I went to the gym, and now we're gonna go on a little adventure.
Jenny. Yes. Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to your mom's house.
Are you fucking kidding me?
How we doing?
We're doing great.
Where are we going?
We're going to San Francisco.
Also, I realize this hasn't been addressed, but I don't have the truck anymore. I drive this. My 2016 Jeep Patriot. Can't go out of town without stopping here, am I right?
Hi.
Morning.
Evan, they have a Pokemon one.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Don't.
Oh, there's the good stuff.
There's my fave.
There it is. Go with the gummy bear.
No, I don't like gummy bears.
Who ready?
I ready.
Who ready?
I want this.
I want this one.
Nostrovia.
Nostrovia! Oh my god. Now that it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, can we go?
Yeah.
Alright.
I forgot my sunglasses.
Yeah, you did.
I forgot my...
Only took us about like 6.5
hours.
hours. It really took us like 6 hours to get here. We left at 10. It's now 3 o'clock.
God.
And here we finally are.
Backflip and a front flip. You have to do push-ups when you get back. Yeah.
So, like a real adult, utilizing my privileges to come to San Francisco, really, oh fuck, cool. That's actually a Pokemon I needed. I'm playing fucking Pokemon. Yeah, my whole point right now is just to go and try to catch a shiny Magikarp so I can get a shiny Gyarados, because why not? I mean, I've listed a couple reasons why I came out to San Francisco for the day, whether it be my last day off before I start my 3 jobs, or the Pokemon Water Festival, or just trying to get out for the day. All those are valid. I mean, those are all real reasons why I came, but I think it's also just the big part is I needed to unwind. My 3 jobs, well, maybe a couple of them seem to be very technical, very difficult. They're very mundane. They're very mind-numbing. The TV station job is just a lot of drag and drop files, make sure things actually follow a schedule that's already been made, and watch TV. There's nothing really special to it. The Grizzlies job, it's muscle memory because it's dealing with a switchboard, just knowing how the game is going to progress, knowing what skits are what, and I mean, both of those are fun, and I love both of them. I would never give up either of them, but there's really no challenge to them, if that makes sense. And then with Target, I mean, Target's Target. What are you going to expect? You're dealing with people who either don't know what they want or know exactly what they want and don't want to deal with any sort of human interaction. It's very mind-numbing, and I needed a time to just get away and relax, and today was that day.
6.5 hours later.
You know, there's this whole thing about life's too short, and the whole narrative of today was that it was my last real day off. But I don't think that should stop me from wanting to continually do things like this. My life isn't that exciting, but I've always had this idea that everything should be documented, so let's do it.